Atmanaman. I am going to share some relatable and also grounded signs of everyday understanding whether you are in a twin flame connection and what does it feel like actually. Are you experiencing a true twin flame connection or is it just a karmic connection? And let's understand the deeper essence of this equation that you might be carrying with you. So let's start with, do you feel an instant connection to somebody even if you have just met, or it feels like that you have known them forever? There is an immediate comfort. You feel like they are your family or they were a part of your family, or you feel very familiar with them, like as if you have known them for ages. And there is a soul level recognition with them, like you have come home after lifetimes apart. This is a very deep and intense feeling. Number two, the energy between you two is very intense. You may feel their energy in the room. It can be magnetic and overwhelming at the same time. You might get butterflies, heat in your heart, or even physical sensations when you think of them. It can also be like a feeling of having pain in your heart, which can be very similar to having tingling sensations in your gut as well. Third point, do you feel deeply triggered by them? So they bring out the best and the worst in you as well at the same time. So most of the times we think that twin flames are here just to give you the best of the worlds, but that is a myth. Because if you have seen a twin flame or if you are in a situation, then they will make you most uncomfortable in your situation, and all your wounds, all your insecurities will be exposed. They will be triggered. And instead of you staying comfortable, this connection will force you to grow and come out of your own shell. You cannot forget them. So even after time or distance, they stay in your mind and into your energy field at all times. No matter how much you try to move on, or their presence feels constant with you, around you. It can be through dreams, through thoughts, or through the emotions. You feel like that you are always in conversation with this person, whoever is your twin flame. And this feels really intense. Feels like as if the person is living with you at all times. Number 5, the life changes after meeting them. So after meeting your twin flame, nothing feels the same. You may go through major changes in your life. Your career will shift. You may be into some other careers and you will start realizing that this is not what you're meant to be. This is what you don't want to pursue in your career. So you may switch your careers, you may start awakening spiritually, and you may start emotionally cleansing and releasing, or even feel that your life is redirected to a new direction. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, you are in a new space, you are a new person, your thoughts have changed. Everything about you doesn't remain the same anymore. And they truly awaken your soul purpose. Whatever you are here to do, you will get aligned to your purpose. You feel their emotions. You suddenly feel emotional waves that aren't yours. You may feel sudden joy, sudden sadness, anxiety, warmth, or any sort of pain or triggers connected to their energy. And even if you're apart, miles apart, you can sense when they think of you or go through something which can be painful, hurtful, joyful. So you feel all of the emotional bandwidth, this other person that who you think is your twin flame, and you are at all times connected to them. The connection feels very fated, and everything about meeting this person is feeling like it was divinely timed. You might notice the repeating numbers, which can be 1111, 222, or it can be 333, it can be 777, 1212, 1010, and you can get a lot of messages through your dreams. You can hear songs which correlate to your situation. There might be coincidences or people guiding you back to them or giving you the messages that you need to listen to at that moment. And it always feels like that the universe is weaving your story and it's not you anymore who's taking charge of the story. You go through a separation phase. So one of you might pull away because the emotions are too intense to handle. And this phase teaches you as a person independence, self-love, and surrender. and how to own your own power, how to recognize who you truly are. And even during this silence, you can feel the bond alive, and the growth is happening on both the sides with both the people in the relationship. They are not in true relationship, they might be in separation, but the growth keeps happening for both of them. And you love them unconditionally. Even with distance, pain, or misunderstanding, the love remains pure. No matter what you do, you're not able to hate them, you're not able to reject them. There is a spark that keeps glowing into your heart, making you believe that yes, this love is unconditional and it is not about wanting to possess them. It is about wishing them peace and healing and realizing that the love is not need, it is freedom. Realizing that love is not about having a person in front of you, but just having unconditional love for the person at all times without need for validation or without any need for reciprocation from this person. And you begin healing and evolving. So, when your twin flame pushes you to work on yourself, your fears, your patterns, your heart, everything starts to heal. Every part of you becomes the best version of yourself. You start to meditate, you start to heal, you start to forgive people, and you understand what truly gratitude feels like. How does it feel like to be in unconditional love with everyone and everything around you? And you start growing in ways that you have never done before. And they awaken your best self, your truest self, and the most authentic self of yours. So, a twin flame connection will not make you fall in love. It will transform your entire being. And it's not always easy or perfect, but it always has a purpose. And to bring you closer to your true self and to love yourself once more than anything and more than anyone in this whole wide universe. So, this connection leads you to yourself and not to anyone else. You become the best version of yourself and you start realizing that nothing is worth more than understanding that you are the only one who can reciprocate that love to you. So do like, share and subscribe and keep watching for further videos about your twin flame. Atmanaman.